Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into the world of credit scores and specifically MyFICO.com. Understanding your credit score is crucial for navigating the financial landscape, whether you're applying for a loan, renting an apartment, or even securing certain jobs. MyFICO.com is a valuable resource provided by the Fair Isaac Corporation, the creators of the FICO score, the most widely used credit scoring model. This website offers a wealth of information and tools designed to help you manage and improve your credit health. You can access your FICO score directly through MyFICO.com, giving you a clear picture of your creditworthiness. It's important to remember that there are various credit scoring models, and while FICO is the most prevalent, other models may be used by different lenders. Beyond just providing your score, MyFICO.com offers comprehensive explanations of the factors that influence your credit score. These factors include your payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. By understanding how these elements impact your score, you can take proactive steps to improve your credit profile. The site provides personalized recommendations and educational resources to guide you on your credit journey. You can learn about strategies for paying down debt, managing credit card utilization, and avoiding common credit pitfalls. MyFICO.com also offers credit monitoring services, which can alert you to any significant changes or potential fraudulent activity on your credit report. This allows you to address issues promptly and protect your financial identity. Exploring MyFICO.com can empower you to take control of your financial well-being. By understanding your FICO score and the factors that affect it, you can make informed decisions about borrowing, spending, and managing your credit. Don't hesitate to utilize the resources available on MyFICO.com to navigate the complexities of credit and build a strong financial foundation. It's a powerful tool that can make a significant difference in your financial future. So, check it out and remember to stay tuned to Rome Tech for more tips and tricks on managing your finances.